It's about 11:30 a.m. and we are just about ready to head out of the Las Vegas Thousand Trails over to Government Wash BLM land. And it sure does feel weird to be leaving here after 2 weeks because this is the longest we've stayed anywhere so far. But I think it'll be a nice change.
Let's meet down at the lonely lake before summer has gone away. Swim out under a broken sky. Cold sun colored with shades of white. Wave goodbye to last summer. Cold air coming away soon. So let's lay under the fall.
Wookie has a lot to say. He's been stuck in the trailer for a bit. He's very excited to be back with the possibility of being outside. Out here.
Never told to no one else. Say goodbye to lonely nights last summer.
We made it up to Lake Mead National Recreation Area. We were calling it BLM earlier, but it's not actually. It's a national recreation area, so you still have to pay to get in, but we had an America the Beautiful pass, so that covered us, which is awesome. We found a spot that we really liked because look at this view. It's absolutely beautiful. The only downside is our trailer is on a bit of an incline, and it's a bit of an incline to get back out. So, but we've got ourselves stable and set, and we'll see how long we want to hang here before we head back out. But the internet speed's pretty good. So you probably can't see it on the video so well, but we are on a hill, and also we're not able to completely level front to back. And then there is a hill to get back out of here. So lucky our truck is a beast. Part of the reason that we stayed at Lake Mead National Recreation Area is so that we could still be close enough to Hoover Dam to check it out, because we didn't get a chance to do that while we were in the Vegas Thousand Trails. So we are here today. Behind me is a clock that has Arizona time, because we are now in mountain time since we crossed the border. And in probably 5 minutes, when we walk around and back the other way, we'll be back in Pacific time again.
Shiny doors. So we just climbed up the steps to take a look at the bridge that overlooks Hoover Dam. Apparently it's really cold and windy out there, so we won't be able to talk out there, but we get a pretty good view. That wasn't too windy once we got out onto it. It was really windy right at the beginning here.
So it's now noon and we are done with our Hoover Dam excursion. And good thing too, because the amount of people that are at all of the viewing points, I think has tripled in the last couple hours. So glad we came a bit early.